Hello guys, so in today's video, I made a clicker game and by the end, the results were crazy. Now essentially, my goal was to create a satisfying clicker game in Scratch. My first question was how to put custom numbers as your variables, such as costumes. I figured out how and I'm making 9 numbers right now to do it. I now had a working sprite that when you clicked it, it would change the numbers. Keep in mind, I spent hours trying to do this. Now, I wanted a pixelated cookie, so I grabbed one from this totally on-brand website. I mean, like everybody's using it. And my amazing cookie uploaded, I needed a background. But now, I needed more effects for my cookie, so that's exactly what I did. But now I need a stylish backdrop, sadly, after I finish having my cookie effects. And by the way, I think they are very good, so that's when I got to work. So I got to work on my stylish background as usual. And this is the process. Now that I have my clicker game, I hope you liked the video, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you share this, and I hope you comment, and bye.